Hello everyone, I'm Dylan. We'll show you how to make spaghetti. We're gonna make some Radiatore. Maybe some basic sauce. And then some regular old beef. It's pretty easy. So I know the recipes say that you need a bunch of water, but just fill it up. Just fill it up. I mean, it's pan's this deep, so the water's about like that deep. You don't need to put like a bunch of stuff in there. Then, turn the water on. The water back here was like a bubble on me. About that. I'm gonna open this. Let's cut the beef out and put it inside the pan. Anyway, I just take it off. Just basically just squeeze it out like. There we go. Perfect, look at that. It's all red like it should be. Correct, I think. By the way, just mash it up with your hands like that. You can add like certain rubs and everything to it, but nah, we ain't doing that. We just do basic spread it all on the pan. You don't have to grease the pan. Just basically make them small enough so that it's like bite-sized pieces. And you can make meatballs or whatever out of it. Just make sure to wash your hands as you get done, because all the nasty stuff, all the meat, juices and stuff all over your hand, you want that touch your face and you get sick and everything from it. Just break them all down. Break it down! And just kind of spread it around the pan. Alright, just wash your hands. Use hot water. Everybody should know by now. What will happen at least is the whole, you know what happens, the masks and etc. Clean! I know at great angles. I don't have a very fancy stand. I just use my old Guitar Hero stand. Basically, you just want to move the beat around. Kind of chop it up a little bit more. You can leave the grease in the pan, but I take it out. So I don't want it to be dirty. Plus, it just tastes a little bit different when you do it that way. Kind of let it sit there. Just flip it over. We'll turn it a bunch. 6:20 now. Be ready in about 10-15 minutes probably. Cut down a bunch so you won't have to wash all of it. We'll get the spaghetti out. Perfect. I didn't use all of it last time, so it's still got some in there. Put it there. Water. Perfect. We'll salt it. Yeah! And then some pepper right now. I'm a crazy person. Put pepper in it. Yay! Perfect. Just keep turning it. So everything is whole brown. And kind of break up the pieces a little more. If you're making meatballs, you know it's gonna be. You don't break them up. You just kind of flip them around a bunch. I assume I don't really like meatballs, so I don't make them, or they put them in a crock pot or something like that. But yes, you can kind of see how everything's getting pretty gray. Just kind of chop up the pieces. Not all of it will be done still. I don't know how well you guys like your stuff done, but I like it well done. Like the meatball right here is gonna be pink inside. See, pink inside. So I'm not done yet. I like cooking it a little bit over. See all the grease is coming out of it. Kind of keep spreading it around. At this point, you can kind of scoop it over. You can start to get the grease out, but I'll keep it in for a little bit longer. Like I said, you don't have to take it out, but I think it tastes better without the grease in it, just because it's a little bit healthier for you. Stir your pasta. Stir the pasta. I used to do only spaghetti, like the regular angel hair spaghetti and all that kind of stuff, but kind of got bored of it. So I always go with like the rotini, the farfalla, the penne, rigatore, all those kind of different cool sounding ones. There's the different kind of shapes and everything. It's because it tastes different. It's like a different meal, even though it's the exact same thing. You know, you eat certain things and just basically eating the same thing over and over again. Perfect. Let that sit for a couple more minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna get your strainer out. Once the spaghetti's done, you can kind of tell because once the Radiatore gets a little bit bigger, it soaks up all the water. It's been like 7 minutes too, so it's got about 2 minutes left and it's almost done. We'll start getting rid of some of this grease. Hope I don't burn myself. You can use anything. You can use a mug, or I just use basically one of these cut up water bottle thingies. You can just put it inside it. Once it gets full, I throw it away. Careful. Hot. Well, I'll do this first. Because I got a big braid. Kind of too late now, but just scoop out all the grease so that it sits to the bottom. Put it in the cup. Of course, there's a lot easier way to do that if you just, keep scooping in. But I don't want to make a mess because I don't like cleaning up a lot of stuff. Ah, birds! Yeah, the grease pops up at you when it's by itself. So. Big ward! Don't burn yourself, people. Ooh, yeah. It's almost done. Ooh, birds. Yeah, get that little singe. I like it a little bit burnt too. I like mine well done. So I'd rather it be a little bit overdone than underdone, because I can't really get too sick from burnt food, but you can get pretty sick from undercooked food. A couple more minutes on that for the heat down to medium. The pasta's done! Yeah! Look at that. All bubbly and stuff. Yeah, it's all ready. You can run out to burn yourself. So I like getting one of these that has a flat head on it. You can sit it down. And I don't know if it's safer to do, but I turn the water on. Have it on cold. Just so that when the steam water goes on it, it doesn't burn yourself. I just do a little bit at a time. I don't want to. If I pour all the water, it makes the sink get warped. Oh no, last one. No. That's okay. Do not rinse them, just drain them. Just put it in here. Give it a couple shakes. Oh, another one. See the water pouring out. Put it back in there. Pasta's done. That's right. Do not touch from here down. If it's metal, it's very hot. Now listen to the bad way. It hurts. The meat's almost done. Put it to about halfway through, medium and low. Yeah, look, it's got a little bit of that burnt. Yeah, see it? Ooh, smells good. Activate your smell vision now. You didn't get that? Oh, it's not my fault. You had your chance at the beginning of the video by smell vision. I just pour the pasta sauce in. Just why not? Yes, more pasta. Sauce. More. That's good. Throw that away. Turn it to low. Yeah, get it. The hot sauce. Where's the hot sauce at? I like spicy stuff. Don't use butter taco sauce from Taco Bell. Reverse sponsor. Yeah. Make it hot. You don't have to add it to it. But man, I always feel dirty when I go to Taco Bell or something. I don't know what it is. But whenever I ask for like, can I have like a couple of napkins? They have me like 50 napkins. Like I never bought napkins before. I just go to Taco Bell and they give me a crap ton of them. That's good. Sauce on my hands. It burns. Yes. Try sometime. It's great. I like it. Just kind of mix it all around. Get all the juice going. I don't like my sauce too thick. I like it a little bit thinner. So I just basically put barely enough in there to make it change color. The heat kind of evaporates some of it too. Yes. Slap it around. Yeah. Cool. The pasta's already done. Look at that. Yeah, so good. Don't forget the washing surface is down. You got the meat on and stuff. Like I kind of messed around with cutting it. And left it on here. So kind of clean up a mess. You don't want to contaminate yourself later. You can always use a cutting board and whatnot. But 2 is enough. Clean it up. It's gotta be clean. Clean, clean. Yeah. You put your pasta in first. Never put the meat and stuff first. Only villains do that. Scoop it out a bunch. I'm a grown boy. Also, I haven't eaten lunch really, so. Washing dishes anyways. A spoon! That's right. I eat Radiatore with spoons. That's right. Just drizzle all that meat on there. Of course, you can use whatever you want as a topping. You can use a vegan option if you want. But only villains do that. Yes. It is complete. Oh, consume it. Well, there you go. There you have it. Make spaghetti. Just swirl it up. You can eat it however you want. You can eat it on a plate. Make some breadsticks if you want, but it's fine for me. Anyways, thank you for watching me make spaghetti. As always, thank you for watching. And I will see you eventually.